in a country of 1.4 billion people.
That number is 33%. That's every third person. It is extremely likely, Roshi, that you know someone with autism and you don't even know it. A lot of people are usually very embarrassed. I mean, I know folks who have still hidden their kids, literally hidden them in a kamra, kept them under lock and key. It's horrific. I don't judge them, but I kind of feel bad because they've not accepted it yet themselves.
Yes, that's struggling.
Unfortunately, now where we are, Shubhashish is not just acceptance; it's actually celebration.
It's a gift, right?
Fortunately, Rishan is not in that rat race of अच्छे number लाने, अच्छे marks लाने, अच्छी नौकरी मिलेगी. You know, so he's and he found his calling fairly early with music.
Beautiful.
बाप पूरा extracurricular आदमी है. So I could really kind of nurture that. So 21 दिन, just for fun, I said let's do a challenge. So 21-day challenge, we'll do a song and a music video every day. And something bizarre happened कि उसमें से 2-3 video फटे. Like they just exploded.
Oh wow!
He's sitting on some 25,000-30,000 followers. I don't know who these people are. so there's all of that, and we started doing a lot of content around autism.
Got it.
Sketch comedies around that. He started getting, offers to perform and get paid for it. My reference point of autism was Rain Man, the movie. तो मुझे कहा अरे बॉस ये तो लॉटरी. अभी इसको सूट पहनाऊंगा, कसिनो ले जाऊंगा, मैं बहुत पैसे कमाऊंगा. It doesn't work like that. I'm fairly unsocial, Shubhashish. I don't drink, I don't smoke, I'm a vegetarian, I'm completely not unsocial, I'm borderline antisocial.
And you worked at MTV.
It's nuts, right? वो gender equality के panel discussions होते हैं और उसमें 4 मर्द बैठे. What?
I found myself exactly in that same panel last year, actually. When he's looking back at his dad, what do you want him to think and remember about his father?
Whether he can say it or not, I hope he feels at least that A, Dad was around. B, he was funny. C, he let me be me. And D, most importantly, he made me feel good about that. I think ये 3-4 चीजें अगर हो, वसूल है. I think I did an okay job. वो काफी है.
Thank you. You got me emotional. Great. Ashish, thanks for joining me on this episode of Dad Sense. I've been looking forward to it.
No, thank you so much for having me, Shubhashish, and I'm so glad we're doing this. I know it's taken a few months to set this up, but I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you.
Yeah. I mean, this is a conversation. As we were talking, I feel that it's an important one for our culture, for our communities, and not had enough. So I appreciate you adding to this conversation.
No, thank you so much for having me, man.
So let's start. Of course, you wear many hats: CEO, media leader, author, and of course, father. So when you strip away everything, who are you as a dad? You take away all your titles. Who are you as a dad?
I think जब भी मैं, when I try to kind of answer something like this, na Shubhashish, it's almost like I should put a disclaimer, कि यार ये work in progress है, and I guess coming specifically to fatherhood, I think it's probably the only job where you're completely unqualified and you're fully responsible from day one.
Right.
और हर रोज performance appraisal होता है.
Correct.
So that's why I say kind of work in progress, and I think you're constantly learning on the job, real time, live.
Yeah.
And I think if I had to really just put it down, who am I as a dad? I would probably say I think at least I'd like to believe I'm Rishan's safe space.
Right.
And at times I'm his safe space. At times I'm his pilot project. I'm his recce. I'm his guinea pig. And because you're parenting, and especially neurodivergent parenting, my son is on the autism spectrum. There is no user manual उसके साथ. मतलब anyway fatherhood के साथ भी नहीं आता है वो. यहाँ पे तो कोई unboxing video कुछ है ही नहीं. So you're constantly improvising. You don't become ever a perfect dad. You just become an evolving dad, and I think that's really why I said work in progress. I think that's probably what I would say.
No, it totally makes sense. Of course, it applies to all of us, and thanks for sharing about the neurodivergence of Rishan, and we'll dig into that. And that's one of the things that I'm curious, and I of course admire about how you have shaped your career, your life, your parenting, and that's incredibly inspiring. So we'll dig into that. So since you mentioned that, can you take us back to when you found out? Like I know you might have said somewhere that you discovered something different in him when he was 2. Is that correct?
That's right. I think, as is often the case, it's usually the mom who's a little more instinctive about this.
Right.
And I think my wife kind of caught that a little sooner, probably at age 2. And
And he's 20 he's 20 now, right?
he's 20 now, right?
Right,
And so this is about 18 years back.
Yep.
And I'm also I'm an only child. Rishan
see.
is an only child, so there were no and I'm fairly unsocial, Subhashish. Matlab, I don't drink, I don't smoke, I'm a vegetarian, I'm completely not unsocial, I'm borderline antisocial. मैं कहीं नहीं जाता. It's like I'm a hermit. Like
And,
कोई
you,
किताब
and, you
होगा
worked, and you worked at MTV. Go
Dude, yeah,
figure.
it's nuts, right? So yeah, but वो भी I mean, I guess एक वो अलग myth है कि your network is your network, कि party करना पड़ता है. वो सब बकवास है, वो झूठ है. आप काम करो, लोग आपको काम मिलेगा अच्छा. But खैर, so I think I also didn't have any reference points, but Sheetal grew up in like a large family.
Yeah.
Like multiple siblings and siblings के बच्चे और and they're all very close.
Yeah.
So she had a lot of reference points and she noted कि यार कुछ अलग है. And I think I was in denial for the first 6 months.
Yeah.
It finally took a lot of pushing at her into saying, "नहीं तू जाके देख कि कुछ." So I went to one of those play school
But क्या
sessions.
difference था?
So I think so she pushed me into going for one of these play group,
I see.
play school sessions, etc. And that's when I realized what she's talking about. That the process of play would be very different. So
Different,
while
yeah.
everyone would be looking at a car, he'd be looking at just a wheel.
Yeah.
For example, he would be sitting by himself in a corner,
Yeah.
or he would be there's something called echolalia where you repeat the same phrase back over and over. So
Sure.
a bunch of these things, and I was still, I think, even and I recognized कि नहीं कुछ तो अलग है. But again, I think classic coping mechanism or whatever
Yep.
you call it,
Yeah.
confusion,
Yeah.
etc. That I said, नहीं यार, you're overreacting. He's just 2.5.
Yeah.
छोड़ो कुछ नहीं है. And
And
that's
imagine
your
this was like, let's say, in our early 2000s, right? I mean, awareness
mid
has been
2000s.
increasing.
Rishan was
Yeah.
born 2005.
Yeah.
So yeah,
There you go.
so it
Yeah.
was just like
Yeah.
ये कुछ नहीं है यार, ये ठीक हो जाएगा, बच्चा है.
Correct.
क्या क्या इतना क्या सोच रहे हो? And then I think over a period of time, once I went there, I realized कि नहीं यार कुछ अलग है. So we need to double click. We need to figure out
Yeah.
what is this difference, what is the matter, etc. And then
Yeah.
we consulted a couple of experts, and that's when I think a doctor, Dr. Anand, in fact, who said, "Have you heard of autism?" And it's mid 2000s, so again the quantum of information on that was so limited. It still is. Awareness is still very, very low. My reference point of autism was Rain Man.
Right.
मुझे लगा the movie, तो मुझे
Yeah,
लगा अरे
I
बॉस ये तो
know,
लॉटरी.
I know.
अभी
Yeah,
इसका
yeah.
सूट पहनाऊंगा, कसिनो ले जाऊंगा, मैं बहुत पैसे कमाऊंगा. It's like, अरे गधे, it doesn't work like that. So it's just your perspective is so limited, and then along with that confusion came a sense of fear that boss अब क्या होगा. There's a sense of guilt कि मेरी वजह से हुआ क्या.
Yeah.
Then there is a certain shame, and at times parents also make the mistake कि अपने सपनों का वजन अपने बच्चों पे लगा देते हैं.
डाल देते हैं, हाँ. Yeah.
Yeah, that मेरा बच्चा तो like rockstar बनेगा, he'll win an Oscar, he'll win a Grammy, he'll be a nuclear scientist, whatever. Yeah, and there's this strange, stupid reaction of like, why me?
Yeah.
It's such a
Yeah, it's
stupid,
very
selfish
common.
reaction.
Yeah.
All that, right? So there was a
Yeah.
certain amount of shame, there was denial, and it's a very classic emotional cocktail that nobody prepares you for. Okay, why my
Yeah.
child? Why me?
There's a bit of
And
a grief as well, right? Like you go through that phases, right?
It's literally that entire
Yeah.
7 phase cycle, all of
Yeah,
that. And I think acceptance over a period of came over a period. It came slowly.
Yeah.
It came quietly. And fortunately, now where we are, Shubhashish, is not just acceptance. It's actually celebration.
Yeah.
It's I would have been a very, very different
Yeah. It's a
person,
gift.
not just a very
It's a
different
gift, right?
father.
Yeah.
As all mixed, as gifts, all gifts tend to be, they're a mixed bag, right?
Correct.
But I think, यार वो, I think जब आप, reality से कुश्ती लड़ना बंद कर देते ना, when you stop fighting reality is when acceptance becomes just easier. And that reality, and not just reality, life, और आप खुद में एकदम हल्के हो जाते हो.
Yeah.
So I think that is what acceptance was, not surrender, it was just clarity. I think that's what happened. So like the first few years were really rough. Like Rishan didn't sleep for the first like 5-6 years. So we would just be up, and that's not like a snowball effect, right? You're like just sleep deprived, you're cranky the next day, all of that.
Yeah.
I ran away, I turned to work, I turned to horrible things as coping mechanism, through addictions, through all kinds of things, and
Did you say addiction?
Yeah, I mean, all kinds of stupid things. You know, just you turn to work, you turn to you think.
Yeah, you just
like, hey,
escape.
yaar,
Yeah.
You close your eyes, you think ye chala jayega.
Yeah,
And that doesn't happen ever. And I kind of left my wife alone to kind of fend for this, and I feel terrible about that. You know, and I think yaar, main paise kama raha hu, kafi hai.
Yeah.
And that's not it. That's not your sole deliverable as a
Oh.
dad. You're meant to do a lot more, right? So I think just coming to that, and I think that's what over a period of time you kind of realize that, you know, what fatherhood does, what especially autism does for you, कि आपकी थोड़ी selfishness कम होती है,
Yeah.
responsibility बढ़ती है,
ज़्यादा हो
and
जाती
you
है।
move from, you know, what do I want to इसको क्या चाहिए,
How can I, you know, how
इसको
can
क्या
I be
चाहिए,
of
मुझे
help?
क्या चाहिए,
Yeah.
and you know, because you know, बच्चे आपके लाइफ में आते नहीं है ना, वो आपका लाइफ reorganize कर देते हैं. It's almost like it's like a re-edit of a personality, you know. So I think it's that's re-architecture happened in a sense. Yeah.
Thanks for sharing. But just so you know, I got diagnosed with ADHD a couple of years back,
Sure.
and it looks like I've been carrying it ever since my childhood. So, you know, it's just sort of remaps the whole story of your life. Then you get answers to all that. So, you know, I can imagine, you know,
What
at this
led you to wanting to get an assessment done, if I may ask?
Yeah, no, yeah, of course. Yeah, I've had a whole episode about it because I found it so profoundly moving to share that, because I can, you know, like you probably appreciate that if you are going through an experience, God knows how many people are going through that experience. And if only you can share some of that stuff, and if only, you know, it could benefit someone. So that was the whole thing. So it was just a serendipity, honestly. I was in a career break.
Sure.
I started doing therapy with just to kind of figure out my life, what was going on, reflect on life. And the therapist caught it right away. She's like, well, you need to get diagnosed for this. You know, who knows what will happen. And when I went through this whole questionnaire, of course, it popped out. And that was a brilliant moment. But
Yeah,
yeah,
no,
I mean,
I get what you're saying. You know, I think it's, and I think I guess you'll relate to that. So, because that actually it's less the label that you're seeking. I think it's just the clarity.
exactly.
That,
And
now I can,
understanding. Yeah,
that I've got a vocabulary now to express or understand for myself at least.
that's
कि
exactly
क्या
right.
है ये क्यों ये why is this
मैंने
experience
क्यों किया
feeling
ये?
like this?
क्यों
And
ऐसे हुआ?
so what changed for you? Like post the diagnosis, are you different? Are you?
Oh yeah, it's a lot. I mean, it's still early, work in progress. But as you know, just the awareness. Actually, they say awareness is half the battle won, right?
Absolutely.
In fact, you don't even have to start intervening or treating. So the awareness has changed a lot. You know, how do I live my daily life?
Yeah.
You know, why am I so defensive? Why am I people pleasing? All of those answers,
All of that.
you know, came out right away. So, anyways, coming.
No, so I mean, no, it's sorry, I'm just
No,
just
right,
riffing
no,
on
of course.
on
Yeah.
this. So, but I think you know वो कई बार वो कहता है ना like father like son.
Yeah,
मेरे केस में like son like father था.
right.
It's pretty similar to so it's actually what I kind of realized or recognized with Rishan, that his lived experiences showed me that I understand like why social situations are so hard for me.
So
And like I
awkward,
said, I was at MTV, and you know, I mean, or and forget, even if it's safe space with a college reunion or with old friends or like a family do, like I would start panicking. Like uske 3 दिन पहले, I would be scripting in my head, what will I say? If he says this, I will say that. If she responds like this, I will say this. And then I'll be fine. It seems like I'm a really social person, easy to talk to, funny, a lot of that.
Yeah.
But it takes me a tremendous amount of effort. And after the actual social event, I would be in what is called actually literally autistic shutdown mode.
Yeah.
You know, so it's almost the parallel of...
You want to recover from that.
Yeah, it's like आपका phone अगर loud चल रहा है, flash चालू है, all media is playing for like 3 hours, so battery gets so juiced out that you can't even charge it. You just shut down, and and that would happen to me for like 72 hours. Like I would just shut down.
Shut down, yeah.
And I think that's what I realized, that I understand that there are a lot of similarities. So I think I got diagnosed with autism at age 50. You know,
Wow, that's exactly the age I got diagnosed, 50.
Right.
50. Yeah.
So, and it was, like I said, less label. It was just more this cloud lifting of my head.
Yeah.
And I think what it helped me do was also just understand myself better. It helped me understand Rishan so much better, that now I understand ये शोर से उसको तकलीफ क्यों हो रही है. You know, or things like I realized that as a kid, it's things that I didn't understand. As a teenager, it's something that I probably ignored.
Yeah.
And as an adult, it's something that I learned how to mask very well. I knew exactly how to hide it. Hide it behind a joke, hide it behind
Yeah.
an excuse that, no, I can't make it today, man. I've got a shoot, or I've got guests over, or I'm not feeling well. And then over a period, I think, post the diagnosis, I think what happened for me is I think I learned to be a lot more kinder to
Calmer.
myself.
Right. Yep.
I learned to
Totally
accept
relate to
myself.
that.
Like I said, acceptance is part one, it's half the battle, right? So I think
Yeah.
I don't need to give you an excuse. I just, like, I'm not comfortable. And
So
a lot
what
of
do
people
you
now
so
appreciate
what do
your
you say
honesty.
now? What do you say now, Ashish?
If see, it depends who you're
Yeah,
also
of
dealing
course.
with.
But
If there are
like, yeah,
folks who
yeah.
want, like bro, I don't want to hang out with 20 people in a loud place, etc. You want to catch up for a coffee one-on-one? I'd love to do it. तू घर आ जा.
Yeah.
हम दोनों मिलते हैं, 2-3 of us fine, but this zone, I
I love
don't think
it.
I can. It's not something I enjoy, so I'll give
Yeah.
it a pass.
I
And
love it.
people appreciate their honesty a little more.
Yeah.
At least some of them do, and some of them just think, "ये तो ऐसा ही है,"
Correct,
and that's
correct.
okay.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
it's
yeah.
it's amusing, like when I told my best friend, I can curse, right?
Of course.
So,
Yeah, yeah.
all right. So, like, I remember talking to my best friend. He's in New Jersey, and he's a simple Marwari fucker, and it's really funny. When I told him, he's the first person I called. That, bro, I just got like diagnosed, and saying, "Arey, तू autistic नहीं, तू सिर्फ चूतिया है. तू दारू पे तू ठीक हो जाएगा." I'm like, you moron, it doesn't work like that. It's funny. But I think the fact that he was just there, and he's like,
Yeah.
it's cool, you're gonna be fine. I think
Yeah.
you just need that.
Right.
You know,
Right.
so I think that also shifted for me to just accept myself, be a little
Yeah.
kinder to
Yeah.
myself. It also helped me understand Rishan so much better
Yeah.
in how I know sensory affects him and all
And
those things.
does he feel that? Does he tell you that, Dad, you were a lot more calmer or whatever? Does he tell you
No,
now?
I don't think he has that language,
Yeah.
Shubhashis.
I
So I
see.
don't think he does that. But
Understood.
at times, kids, you'll tend to express. You don't need always words to express
Right.
things.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like very, like, literally about a month back, my dad-in-law passed away, and my wife
know.
was very, very
I
close
know.
to him.
Yeah,
And it's been like a quarter of, we are all
A
at that
roller
phase
coaster.
where your
Yeah.
parents were old and all of that,
Yeah.
and just a month, like literally about a week back, my uncle passed away, and a bunch
my
of those
God.
things
So
happened.
sorry
And
to hear
my
that.
son, I know, they've lived a good full life, but
Yeah.
it's
No,
it's what
it
it
still
is.
hits you. Yeah.
Right. So it's not something that Rishan understands. So it is still, he doesn't really still have the entire concept of what happens. I'm not going to see him again. He's gone now. So all of that, he's seen them unwell, but now the fact that they're not physically there. So at times, without language, it could be just as simple as, "No, Dad, don't die. I want you to play with me." It'll just be a phrase like that, which, at times you don't need words. It's his process of just kind of, at times it's just a hug that you need that will
Yeah.
say what all that needs to
Yeah.
be said. So
Yeah.
yeah. So
Got
I
it.
think versus articulation about, no, I think, Dad, you're calmer. I think it's
Yeah.
just an
You can see that,
unspoken
right.
piece which kind of plays out, which is nice.
Yeah. Now, so going back to that discovery phase, like I know your Sheetal probably was a lot
Yeah.
more instinctive, more accepting. So what changed for you? I mean, I know you sort of went through this 3 or 4 phases, whatever
Yeah.
phases.
Yeah.
Can you walk us through, like, how did you come to that stage of acceptance?
I think, at times, I think anything good, Shubhashis, lies always on the other side of discomfort.
Yep.
Whatever it is. कुछ भी अच्छा होना है तो वो आसानी से
नहीं होता
उसमें
है.
नहीं है.
You
वो
have
नहीं
to
हो सकता.
suffer and you have to
You
feel the
have to.
pain. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think that's what I needed. I needed a few, whatever, jolts, a few jhatkas, etc. And even if it may be a selfish reason where you come back, because you realize all you really have is family, right?
Yeah.
So when you come back, you realize that being there, helping, playing your part is actually what will help you. I think it's just that. So when I came, it's almost that kind of brought me back, and just being there is what fundamentally, I think at some level, and it took a while. So from the denial, running away,
Yeah.
all of that, and supposedly thinking you're doing your part by just being the provider,
Yeah.
you realize that वो काफी नहीं है. And then just at times just presence is what is needed. So coming back, spending the time, and seeing the fact that you are making a fundamental difference by just sheer presence. I mean, fortunately, Rishan is not in that rat race of अच्छे number लाने, अच्छे
Correct,
marks लाने, अच्छी
Yeah.
नौकरी मिलेगी.
Yeah.
You know, so he's and he found his calling fairly early with music.
Beautiful.
बाप पूरा extracurricular आदमी है. So I could really kind of nurture that, you know, or lean into that really
Yeah.
well. And it was a great bonding tool for
music.
us to do that. You know, so
Love
like
it.
he sings, and
Yeah.
I'd love to shoot. I'd
Yeah.
edit those videos. Like I'll tell you a fun thing that happened. This is like during the pandemic. The lockdown was announced literally one day after my birthday, like 24th March, 25th March. You
Oh,
know?
your birthday is
And,
coming up.
So yeah, so it's so 21 din, just for fun, I said let's do a challenge. So 21-day challenge, we'll do a song and a music video every day. So we'll
Wow.
record one. So 21 days we put out a song and a music video which we were shooting at home. And then it just became fun.
Love
So
it.
it became the thing of, you know, our chance to bond, our chance to create some content. And something bizarre happened कि उसमें से 2-3 video फटे. Like they just exploded.
Oh, wow.
And then suddenly, and we started having fun.
Do you have those? Like, those are on YouTube
Yeah,
or something?
Rishan has a YouTube channel.
Oh,
There
cool.
are upwards of 500 videos on it.
I'll check it out.
So we've done a ton of songs, music videos, all of that. And then we started doing, I mean, I just started having fun. So then,
Yeah.
you know, producer ka dimag. So even if we were traveling, I'd be like, Arey,
Chalo
chutti,
karte
free
hain."
location. Free location. Come on, we'll shoot over there. You know, so that kind of stuff started happening. And Rishan would get excited, say, what will I wear over here? So that, and now, because those things started popping up, so at times if we were doing a family trip, or if you're doing like a weekend trip with the in-laws or whatever else, we'll feature them in the video. So all his cousins would be in it. So all of that
So
just
it kind of
became
grows
fun.
into a whole
So it
something
grew
else.
and it became
Right.
like a very, he's got a fairly buzzing like Instagram page, and
That's cool.
like he's sitting on some 25,000-30,000 followers. I don't know who these people are. so there's all of that. And we started doing a lot of content around autism,
Got it.
sketch comedies around that. So he started getting, you know, offers to perform and get paid for it. So, I mean, that's not his, you know, day
Thing,
job,
yeah,
but
yeah.
it's so good for his self-esteem.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
strangely, it's so good for building out the awareness and all of that. So all of those things became, and I realized that it's almost like this is stuff that both he and I like to do. This is stuff that both of us are half decent at. This
Yeah.
is stuff that someone is willing to pay us for. और कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है इसमें. So it's almost like finding your
Yeah,
ikigai.
yeah. Yeah, yeah,
तो
yeah.
वो
yeah.
purpose मिल गया हमें. तो वो that we started having fun. And I think some of those things really kind of worked well for both of us.
Yeah,
And especially for me, and where that acceptance transitioned into celebration, that
Yeah.
man, you're, you know, inadvertently, unknowingly, we are doing it because we're having fun, but you're touching so many people. Like even that book that I did a couple of years
100%.
back, I did a
Yeah, we'll
children's
talk
book,
about that. Yeah, we'll talk
you know,
about that.
and,
yeah.
and I think it's just the amount of folks who reached out
yeah.
saying, yeah, I felt seen, I
Yeah.
felt heard.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I think it's just that kind of gives you meaning, and that's what makes it a celebration, you know. So
100%.
I think to ye hua essentially. That's what probably that graph happened slowly.
Shifted,
but I think I mean this is not something I would ever change or swap for
Anything
anything
else.
else. you know.
100%.
So
100%.
it just made me a better person more than a better dad.
I used to work at Amazon, and my boss, who's in the UK, I did a episode with him. I'll send it to you.
Sure.
He had the same discovery. He has 2 kids in the spectrum, and his daughter actually is a big champion of autism, and she went on.
Nice.
She's gone on BBC and a bunch of other stuff. She's like a global voice, so I can relate to this this story. Now, parents, you know, who are struggling with this, like this, they just discovered this. They're finding the path to be very, very vague and blurry. They don't know where. What would you tell them at this point when they're just about discovering or just about figuring out their path ahead with the child being in the spectrum?
You know, I think the first most important thing that I'd probably say to any parent, you know, is that breathe. You know, breathe. It gets better. Of course, it gets worse, but it gets better. You know, things will get better overall.
Right.
Not just because you will learn how to handle it better. Your
Yeah.
kid will learn how to handle it better.
Yeah.
They may not change. You will learn how to deal with it better. You know, so I think step one is just to know that. Two, like I said, acceptance is half the battle.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think accept karo.
Yeah.
That's I would say the second thing I'd probably say to them. Three, I'd say I think यार वो हर aircraft में भी बोलते हैं ना सुभाषीष that दूसरों की सहायता करने से पहले अपना ऑक्सीजन मास्क लगा लें.
Yeah.
I think that is such a
It's such a powerful
undermined.
metaphor. Yeah.
You know, it's so essential. Like you can't
Yeah.
pour from an empty bottle.
Yeah.
So you that me time, that self care, it is so important. And especially वो मर्दों का वो जो होता है ना, that मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता है, nothing, I'm cool.
Correct.
No,
correct.
man, you need to do that. So carve out that time. You've got to do that. So I would say that's the third thing. 4, I would say V time. I think autism marriages are very hard, Subhashi. Most of them don't last.
I'm sure.
Most of them don't last. You know, they're brutal on the relationship.
Because it
So I
just
think
literally pushes you
it's
so
just
hard.
it takes away your life. It's a
Yeah.
tsunami.
Yeah.
You know, it's brutal.
Yeah.
You know, so I think just and you can't do this alone. So you've got to, and it's not a 50-50.
Yeah.
It's a tag team, like it's like wrestling.
100%.
आज मेरी लग गई यार तू कर. आज तुम्हारी लग गई मैं आता हूँ. So I think just being there also for each other and also carving out the time minus autism. I think I would say that. I would say get help. Get help. You can't do it. It doesn't take a village. It takes a friggin' continent.
Right.
You know, so it's going to be, and there is no sharam in asking for help. A lot of guys don't.
Yeah.
Not
I
for
mean,
themselves,
well,
not for.
We all struggle. I
"Ah, I
struggle
got
with
this.
asking
No, you
for help.
don't got this, bro.
Yeah.
Get the help. You know, so I think just doing that, seeking out that help, etc. And I think it's stuff that rear view में vision हमेशा 2020 होता है.
Yeah.
But I think something you said a little earlier, you know, it's a gift.
Yeah. Yeah.
At times it used to irritate me कि मैंने थोड़ी मांगी थी, गाड़ मराई है gift. मुझे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे नहीं खेलना. You know, so
बाद में
but
पता
I think
लगेगा,
you
yeah.
really got to be grateful. I think just it will fundamentally change you
Change you. Yeah.
for the better.
Yeah.
Know that, recognize that, accept that. Picture अभी बाकी है, popcorn ले आओ और मजा करो. I think accepting that is what will help you enjoy the process and the journey so much more. I think so. These are I would say a few things that I'd probably
That's
say.
really
And be
uplifting.
there. I mean,
Ashish.
you gotta be
Yeah.
there. ये इसका पैसा देके नहीं चलेगा काम. You can't outsource autism parenting.
You can't buy
वो
your way
nanny से
out
नहीं
of
होगा.
this. Yeah.
Baby sitter से नहीं होगा.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you घुसना पड़ेगा.
Yeah. So how did you put on your oxygen mask? When did you learn to put on your own mask? I'm pretty sure you didn't have it on day one, right?
No, man, it's a little too late in life, but I'm
Yeah.
so glad. I think the diagnosis helped. You know, I think, like I said, I learned to be a little more kinder to
And you
myself.
struggled all throughout, huh?
Absolutely. You know, it was very, very hard. I think मुझे फर्क
And
होता है ना, Subhash.
how old are you now?
Sorry,
How old are you now, if I may ask?
I'm 52.
Okay.
52.
Yeah, we're the same age. Got it.
Yeah.
So it's been
you
2
know,
years.
So
Yeah.
it's been 2 years.
Yeah.
You know, so it was, and I think just like I said, see, I'm fundamentally unsocial. So but there's a difference, you know, Subhashis, between being alone and being lonely. वो जो फर्क है ना? Like you can be alone in a group and be fine,
Yeah.
and you can be lonely in a crowd.
Yeah.
It's just that difference, you know. Like one is a choice, the other is not.
Yeah.
You know, I think so. In that sense,
Yeah, you mean you can be alone without anybody and be happy, but you can be lonely with a bunch of people.
absolutely.
Yeah.
You know, I think so. I think just that difference. I think so. Anyway, you have trouble. Kind of men usually have trouble expressing themselves.
Yeah.
Autistic men all the more. You know, so वो forget to anyone else. अपने आप को. You know, I think so. Some of those things, like I said, and you want to just step up and do your thing, to
Yeah.
be there, etc. And you forget to take care of yourself. You're you know, वो oxygen mask आपने नहीं लगाया है.
Yeah.
So I think now, and that doesn't help. You know, so I think post the diagnosis, I learned to draw a few boundaries and say, नहीं यार, ये नहीं होगा मुझसे, ये मैं नहीं जाऊँगा. And I think then carving out that me time that I just spoke about,
Yeah.
and my coping mechanism at times, of course, as you can see, one of it is humor, so that's just
Yeah.
my firewall.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
the other is
yeah.
just like reading and writing is my thing.
Yeah.
That's my tool to
That's very
express.
cathartic.
I know
Yeah.
it's very cathartic. So
Yeah.
so reading and especially writing, and that's just for myself.
Yeah.
You know, I think I you know, that's I'm a ton of acquaintances, Subhashish, but very, very few
Few
friends.
friends. Yep.
Very, very few people I would have had a conversation like we are having.
Yep.
You know, I'm
I
pleasantly
appreciate
surprised by
that.
how easily this is
I
flowing.
appreciate
But you know, but वो नहीं होता है. So like it's that default answer of, hey, how are you, bro?
Right.
I'm fine.
I know. We're trying to
fine,
just
yeah.
kind of gloss over
Never
things.
been super से भी ऊपर. You'll crack those 5 jokes. But the person who knows you, ना, वो आपको ऐसा X-ray की तरह scan कर लेता
पकड़
है.
लेगा.
सच बोल. Say, oh fuck, mommy. You know that shit will happen to you. So
Yeah. No, I hear you. you know, a lot of the comedians, right? Like guys like Trevor Noah. I mean, they actually process their suffering through comedy, right?
You know,
And
some of them do, man, and clearly
Yeah.
some of them don't. I mean, look at Robin Williams. It's just
Yeah, so
it
sad.
is
Yeah,
unfucking believable,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So
yeah. No,
I know random flex. By the way, I got a chance to hang out with Trevor Noah. It was wild.
You did?
I used to be at MTV like many years ago, right? And there
Oh,
was
yeah.
this
Yeah.
Gates conference, the SDG, the Sustainable Development Goals,
Yeah.
thing,
Yeah,
which
SDG, yeah.
Trevor was hosting. So
Got
I
it.
happened to be there for that in New York. And what a cool guy, man! He's so
Yeah, it's
freaking cool.
unbelievable. I actually,
So, yeah.
I'm following him a lot more after connecting on this ADHD thing. Like he talks
Right.
about ADHD a lot.
Yes, yeah,
And,
yeah.
and I
It's
learned a lot
wild.
from that.
He's super fun.
Yeah.
You know, so yeah.
So coming back to again, dad, you know, fatherhood's providing. I know you poured yourself into work in some sort of denial, etc. But how did you navigate work? I mean, you've had some incredible jobs and big jobs. How did you navigate this with work? A lot of dads struggle, autism or not. I mean, even just normal. You know, I didn't mean to say autism is anything but normal, but
Yeah.
you know, just people without having children in the spectrum also struggle with balance, right? Work, you know, home, parenting. What changed? How did you manage this new reality of life? And how did it show up between work and home?
Uh,
Does that make sense? Or it was too kind of sort of convoluted?
no,
like this?
I got it. I got it. I think. I think you know what. I think what it did, na, at work, for example, is I became a lot more patient. Let me put it that way. I became a lot more intentional about being inclusive. It's something that I always did instinctively, but I became a lot more deliberate about it. I'll give you an example of that. Like like this is MTV. Okay,
Yeah.
so MTV was the place with the cool kids, not just on screen but behind the scenes. So
Yeah.
there are a bunch of really cool kids, and I said, "Nee, yeah, the definition of cool is not just Bandra
Yeah.
or South Bombay
Yeah.
or South Delhi, right? It's also there's a life beyond Student of the Year in Karan Johar. There is a Raju Hirani dunya. There is a Kashyap dunya. There is a there's that's cool. So I think recognizing those differences and leaning into them, I was very deliberate about it. So I will hire a boy who doesn't speak a word of English.
I love it.
You know, so I think that just brought such a like I remember hiring this one boy, fantastic, from Bihar.
Yeah.
पटना, you know, वो कुर्ते और चप्पल पहन के आता है काम पर, स्नीकर्स पहन के आता है, कुर्ता जीन्स etc. And he was just a really fun guy. And
But you saw a spark in him.
but not a cool kid. You know, not the traditional cool kid.
Yeah.
But now, by the way, now he's the guy who wrote the dialogues for Scam 92. Picked up a Filmfare for that.
No kidding.
You know, he's the guy who's written the new Gandhi, which Pratik and Applause are doing. Vaibhav Vishal, right?
You hired him.
Yeah, I had him.
Vaibhav Vishal. I'm familiar with him.
V2.
Yeah.
So V2, right? So V2. I mean,
Yeah.
V2's name comes from me. V2.
Right.
Vaibhav Vishal. You know, so
Right.
so like V2, or for example, this is other very talented.
I think I interviewed him at Disney, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
Yeah. You know, so be it someone like him, or be it there's this other Maharashtrian boy who'd be like, he didn't speak a word of English, but he used to do this MTV ticker,
Yeah.
etc. And he'd be like, hey, मेरे को ये बहुत चुत्ते चुत्ते बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I was like, fuck, I love this guy.
Yeah.
Bring him in. There was this neurodivergent. I'm very certain this girl was neurodivergent because अकेली बैठती थी, कोने में बैठ के डिजाइन करती थी. But my God, her graphics, her design aesthetic, incredible. You know, so like bringing
You
those
start
people
becoming
in
more
and-
intentional about adding.
So I was very
Yeah.
deliberate about it. And I think just recognizing that, and also, you know, a lot more patient, and you realize that at times, and not just MTV, I think हर जगह पे होता है ना कि वो share of voice पे आप judge होते हो. कि मीटिंग में कौन सबसे ज्यादा बोल रहा है,
the loudest
कौन
of them
cool है,
wins.
कौन
Yeah.
And but just watching out for that, nee, this is a person,
That
just
one
because
quiet
he or
person.
she is not talking,
Yeah.
does not mean she doesn't have a point of view, and a great point of view. And maybe it's not comfortable to do that in a presentation. Maybe she'll do that on email. So going out and saying, hey, what do you think? You want to take a crack at this? Why don't you mail it to me? Or come, let's grab a chai and you talk to me about that. Talk me through already. What do you think of this one? What do you? So I think just A, being a little more patient about that. B, being very deliberate about that. Recognizing and supporting that divergent thinking. And you realize that ये divergent thinking का problem नहीं है यार. ये asset है.
It's a huge asset.
It's just a parallel of like, I find it so amusing, you know, कि यार वो gender equality के panel discussions होते हैं और उसमें 4 मर्द बैठे. It's a panel. You know, like, what? dude, it's stupid, right? So it's like cake on Women's Day and then life goes back.
I found myself exactly in that same panel last year, actually. And I called them
Yeah,
out,
it's-
like,
it's
did you
just-
not find anybody else here?
It's stupid. It's like Pride Month, everyone's logo turns to like rainbow and then life goes back to
It goes
it's
away.
stupid. So I
Right.
think that fundamentally, and I started leaning into that a lot more, and I realized I think that's what's helped me. I didn't realize that's what was like. I was able to see things that not a lot of other people could see.
Yep. Yeah.
Or able to connect the dots of very random things. And I think my career now, when I look back at it, ये
all makes
connections
sense,
उसकी वजह
right.
से
Yeah.
बने हैं Subhashis. Like I'll
Yeah.
give you 3-4 stupid examples of that.
Yeah.
That there's stuff that's lying under your noses. Okay? Why has someone not created a transgender band? These are people you experience or see
All
people
around
from that
you.
community
Yeah.
every day at a traffic light.
100%,
You look
yeah.
at a window.
Yeah.
Or you crack a joke about it and you see that in a film and you ignore it worse.
Yeah.
And I said, यार ये कुछ है और ये फटने वाला है because this whole narrative of LGBTQ is starting to happen and you say यार ये तो anyway खाते हैं चलो
Yeah.
बैंड बनाते हैं or for that matter man here is for example a movie.
Yeah.
Why hasn't anyone done a branded feature film? So like a Mere Dad Ki Maruti or
Sure.
finding those strange connections or like
Yeah.
here's April 1st, for example, that's been happening all Fools Day. We do Bakra. This should be Bakra Din.
Right.
Why didn't anyone thought of it? It's just such a no-brainer. I think just connecting the dots. Or
Yeah.
that book that I did that I spoke about, Goldie Boy.
Yeah.
It's actually a remix of Goldilocks and the Three Bears.
Yeah.
वो 110 साल पुरानी किताब है सुभाषिश.
Correct.
The original. Right?
Correct.
No one even knows who's written it.
Yeah.
Now, when you go back,
Yeah,
you
it's just a
realize
part
that
of the mythology, like a folklore.
no one knows who's written it, right?
Correct.
So when I went back, and this was, I think, I was in quarantine. All right, so that's when you're kind of going mad and like, कमरे में बंद हो 4-5 दिन, you're like, क्या करूँ मैं अपने life के साथ? That kind of shit is going on.
Where was this quarantine?
So I got diagnosed. I got tested positive for COVID.
I see. Understood.
So I was in
Understood.
quarantine for about
Yeah.
like a week or whatever.
Yeah,
So I was like, कमरे में होता है, अरे boss मैं क्या करूँ?
Yeah.
मेरी life का क्या हो रहा है? And then these random thoughts start coming, and that's when it struck me that this author doesn't even realize he's written a neurodivergent character. The reason why Goldilocks finds things too hard or too soft, too hot
Is
or too
because-
cold, she's sensory sensitive.
Right.
I said, अरे ये तो
Because
ये तो
back
autistic है.
then, nobody cared about neurons. Right.
There was no
Yeah.
vocabulary for it,
Yeah,
right? So I said,
yeah,
oh
yeah.
shit.
Yeah.
Tubelight, tongue. So I said,
Yeah.
अरे इसको remix करते. So then I changed the gender, made it Goldie Boy,
Goldie Boy,
based it
yeah.
on Rishan.
Yeah.
And then the porridge became pizza, Billie Eilish, Bappi Lahiri, all this shit came in. So I think it's just all of that happened which made it very today. So I think now that I'm able to spot these things, I lean a lot more into it. I think that's what changed. I did that instinctively, now I do that a lot more deliberately. I think that.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, so on the other side, this is fascinating. I mean, there's so many things to talk about, but just staying back on that, work, how it shaped your work, but how did it inform how did that look like at home? Like you'd go back, what did you change about being a dad in terms of routine and what you did? How did you tell people at work that I need to change? Did you do all of that, or it all happened in the background? I mean, did you feel, you said you need more presence, right?
Yeah.
And you realized that just by running away, it's not going to help, and you can't outsource it. So clearly, you prioritized being at home and being with Rishan more. So did you, share it, set it up at work, or what did you do? How did you go about that?
Your question is how it changed me at home as well, right? How did my
Correct.
process?
Yeah.
So I think
And more related to how did you manage it at work? Because a lot of dads, the reason I'm asking is a lot of dads keep it all watertight, right? घर में जो हो रहा है, don't talk about it at work. I mean, it's changing, but I'm just giving sort of a stereotype.
No, I understand that severance parallel.
And then whatever is happening at work, घर में आके you just have a poker face. You don't share it.
Yeah.
But how did you sort of address that?
I think specifically, just that overall thing of just being a lot more patient. No? But I think that's the through line, I would say.
I see.
I think, and I think your default also as men or as dads, because you want to help, right? You're trying to fix. I think इसको ठीक करते हैं ना, क्या problem है? Even when
Yeah.
your wife at times just wants to download, you want to say, you want to give solutions, and she doesn't even want a solution. She's
She
not
just
listening.
wants
She
to
wants to
vent
talk.
or share. Yeah.
You know, she just wants to vent. So it's like, then why are you telling me? You don't want to help. You know, that's not the point. You want to fucking listen.
Yeah.
You know, so I think that unlearning or that shift, I would say, from doing to being. You know, I think from fixing to understanding.
I love that differential. Yeah, doing to
Yeah,
being.
and I think
yeah.
I think a great way to probably phrase it is, I think from you know, correction to connection. I think वो एक shift बड़ा deliberate और बड़ा not deliberate, I would say subconsciously kind of हुआ. You know, and which is like, no, because I understand, I don't want fixing. I you know, just bond. At times you just gotta, at times just someone just needs a hug.
Just be.
And that
Yeah.
includes you.
Yeah.
You know, so I think that at home, that patience, and you know, at times like I'm borderline OCD, you know, so like, and I'm paranoid about being late for stuff and things like that. Like I'll start like literally start panicking and shit like that. But Rishan has his own set of OCD. So until he goes in and out of a room like 27 times, until he switches the lights and fans on and off 13 times, that's like a magic number.
Yeah.
He can't leave. So earlier it would frustrate me saying,
Of course.
Chalo,
चलता
come
है,
on.
हाँ, right.
Now it's just something like, you know, now you learn to just wait and watch not just the grass but your hair grow.
Yeah.
Like it's okay. अब ये जब ये ready होगा ये होगा तब चलेंगे.
Yeah.
So just doing that. So I think that patience, that shift did that. That was one thing. Two, I think just, like I said, I think just being there was one thing. And at work, I've always been very open about, you know, a lot of people are usually very embarrassed. I mean, I know folks who have still hidden their kids, literally hidden them in a kamra, kept them under lock and key. It's horrific, you know,
Really?
or don't talk about it. No, he's not there. You know, that they don't come to any social events and all of that because they're embarrassed. Or I don't judge them, but it's because I kind of feel bad because they've not accepted it yet themselves.
Yes,
तो
they're
तुम नहीं
struggling,
करोगे
yeah.
बाहर दुनिया कैसे करेगी?
Correct.
You know, and you can't deal with it. वो उसको ignore करके वो ठीक मतलब नहीं होगा. It will not get better. So I think just that openness across both work and home, and I suspect, I think that's also a function of being autistic, which is that at times maybe I don't read social cues well.
Yeah.
You know, maybe I don't really, I'm not able to create those boundaries or those firewalls. Or
I struggle with that. I kind of blur
You know?
everything. Yeah. And
Yeah,
I
you
get
know,
into
like-
trouble at times. And I'm in HR.
Absolutely.
You can imagine.
Yeah, I completely get that. You know, which is or you know, or मतलब मैं, you know, I would say, मतलब, you know, my optimism is my superpower.
Yes, yeah.
It's my default.
Yeah.
That ये क्या ही होगा? You know, it saved my life. You know, so मेरी बीवी चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है, तो लाइक तो पागल है, you know, इसलिए तो फंसता है, इसलिए तो मरता है, इसलिए तो सफर करता है, and she's right.
Yeah.
And there are enough examples of that at work and in personal life.
The roller coaster of life, right? Yeah.
And that's fine.
Yeah.
And I don't want to change.
Right.
You know, and I think recognizing my own emotions and you know, and you realize, like at work, for example, I think you realize that if you're not enjoying it, और कोई नहीं करेगा.
Yeah. Yeah.
तो चाहे पिक्चर हो, चाहे किताब हो, मैं फूट के रोता हूँ, मैं जोर से हंसता हूँ, and my wife is now she's just gotten used to it. And you realize that it's emotional energy transfer.
Absolutely.
You know, and I think knowing that, and even at work, like so you tend to get so involved, you tend to get, you know, and at times that's not good.
So passionate
At times
about
you
things.
realize those boundaries or those, at times you miss that, but I'm not able to do that, and it's, forget the fact that it's too late for me to change now. I don't want to. I mean, some people call it a flaw, I call it a feature.
Yeah.
तो मुझे लगता है ठीक है यार, ये better है, it's a better way to be. ये वो दिन में ऐसा रात को वैसा वो नहीं होगा यार.
Yeah. Got it. You know, I don't know if you know, I follow Mark Manson, the guy who wrote.
Yeah, of course.
I follow him a lot as well. And again, I follow him on
Such a fresh, refreshing writing style versus the traditional business books.
Yes,
you know,
exactly.
I haven't read his Will Smith biography. He co-wrote that with Will Smith.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
Yeah, he co-wrote that. So it was an interesting casting to get someone like that to do a.
Fascinating.
I hear good stuff about that, but I really enjoyed his book as well. You know, you realize how many fucks you have to give.
Correct, exactly.
And how many you don't. So you do those choices.
There's literally a video that I watched yesterday. I'll send it to you. It says your best part is your worst part, right? And we've been talking about that all this last 20 minutes. So anyways, Now, let me flip to another aspect which doesn't get talked about a lot, Ashish, which is you said, it literally a lot of marriages don't last, right?
Yeah.
How did you and Sheetal reconcile? What changes did you have to both have to do? Because a lot of times, I realize that even in this podcast, while I focus on fatherhood, particularly parents who are together, there's a lot of single dads and moms raising, but particularly when two-parent household, a lot of children's happiness, their growth depends on how their mom and dad or their parents are figuring it out, right? And what did that look like? Whatever you can share,
Sure.
comfortable. And how did you
Sure. So I
navigate?
think first, again, for me, I would say probably, Sheetal is incredible, right? So she's a very, very, she's a chartered accountant, super bright, damn good at what she does. And I think post the diagnosis, I think what happened is it was a classic selfish reaction that you realize that autism ko to outsource nahi kar sakte. One of us will have to take a hit on the career.
Yeah.
So it was just understood, हाँ तू ही ना, obviously, मैं थोड़ी ना घर बैठूंगा. It was just, it's like,
Yeah.
घर पे आदमी थोड़ी ना बैठता है, ऐसे थोड़ी ना. I mean, that's just stupid. I think she would have been far more successful in the traditional sense of things in terms of be it wealth, be it fame, fortune, whatever else.
Growth, yeah.
But it was just done. And she took that hit. So obviously there was a certain amount of resentment, which is completely understandable.
Of course.
Right? So why?
Yeah.
And it's brutal. And also because I wasn't around. I ran away. I was like, and that was hard on her. मैं पैसे कमा रहा हूँ ना, काफी है.
When you say
that's
you
just
ran
not being
away,
around.
what do you mean,
I think
Ashish? I'm
turn
curious.
myself to work.
So
not
you
be
would
there.
like come late, or what would you do?
Come, work is my escape. Leave early, come late, not be around. That
Understood.
kind of thing, which is just kind of stupid, right?
Yeah.
So I think so in that sense, and that was hard on her.
Yeah.
And she's
bet.
dealing with all kinds of things. It's brutal.
I bet.
I think so. And then obviously, भाई तू तो खुश है, you're doing work that you love, you're like winning awards, you're making movies, and that's just like while I'm at home cleaning the shit up, bro,
Dealing all
like,
this stuff, yeah.
not all of that. So that's this. So I think all of that. I think for me, like I said, step one was just understanding, realizing, awareness to come back and okay, boss, galti.
Yeah.
Step one is recognize galti.
Yeah.
Step two is then consciously go out to fix or
Yeah.
to address or to change, and mean that, So I think that being very deliberate about recognizing that your job is not just paisa kamana and the weekend dad who has fun with the child.
With the boy, yeah.
You will have to be there,
Yeah.
and it's a tag team. It's not a 50-50, so you
Correct.
will have to pick up, share the load, as a real.
Yeah, sometimes it's 80-20, 20-80, it keeps on sort of
All of
flowing.
that.
Yeah.
वो work-life balance, so ये सब जो लोग बोलते हैं ना, वो बकवास है.
Correct.
There is no
Absolutely.
work-life balance.
No.
So at times, work wins, at times life wins, at times Netflix wins. So कुछ भी. तो ठीक है.
Right.
So it's seasonal.
Yeah.
So I think just recognizing that man, and then turning back, be it for your own sanity or your own help, is what kind of helped me. I think a lot of counseling, therapy also that played a part.
Yeah.
Was very, very essential to go through that process, to process that. And then being deliberate about picking up, and also you learn to let go. At times, ये autism marriages में भी ये होता है, Shubhashish, that because the woman is at times leading, she'll say, तुम्हें नहीं आता, तुम रहने दो. And at times the male ego comes in.
Yeah,
Like,
of course. Of course.
तो तुम ही करो.
Right.
And at times you have to learn to let go.
Let go, yeah.
And say, नहीं यार, so sure,
Yeah.
your call.
Yeah.
This bit let me take care of. The music bit, I'll run.
Yeah.
So like it's a bit of a divide and rule in that sense. So for example, in the mornings, it would be like you pack the dabbas, I'll get Rishan ready for school. So just those pieces. Or you sort out the academics, the language skills, I'll sort out the music, art therapy.
Right.
So just all of those and at times just I think just that's one piece of just at the fundamental level help that. Two, being very conscious to be able to talk about it and say, you know what, like otherwise date nights were also hard. Like you're going out and on date night you're also talking about autism.
But some of the
You're talking
exactly.
about, अरे यार, I just read about this new therapy.
Yeah.
Why don't we check this out? Or अरे पता है कल स्कूल में ये हुआ. So being also conscious that no, this
It's about us.
1.5 hours.
Right.
We will not talk about it.
Yeah.
And also then, and I think at some level it's trauma bonding. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's trauma bonding of like, and at times it's just us going and laughing, and it's just like how people laugh at rich people's problems. ये anxiety क्या होता है? ये सब अमीर लोगों पे चोचले. ये बकवास है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता.
Somebody
it's
says like
that.
you have
So
to earn your depression.
yeah, so it's like autism parents will also like at times laugh about, like, see, most of my friends are now empty nesters. They have kids in universities abroad,
College,
and
yeah.
all of that, and that's a world that I don't understand.
Yeah.
These essays and GMAT and SATs. I'm like, I have no idea. मैं उस दुनिया से इतना दूर हूँ. So at times some of them, like if someone talks about कि यार, the horse was unwell, so my son couldn't go riding, and I'm like, bro, I'm just happy my son didn't spit on anyone today. Like, what the fuck are you talking? So me and Sheetal are like laughing about that shit.
Right.
So at times we'll go out and imitate those people. So it's just funny. So I think just finding that common ground also to laugh at shit. Being there for each other, I think that is so important to carve out time. I think those are pieces that kind of work. And,
I love that.
And inherently, I'm a very lovable guy, so I think that helps.
It's hard to ignore that.
I know. So I think that's what ki,
that makes sense.
She's busy. I'm busy overthinking life. She's busy running it. So it kind of, we complement each other quite well in that sense. And I make it hopefully lighter and fun. She makes it. She sorts out the other shit and all of that. And at times, my optimism feeds off and like, don't worry. कुछ नहीं होगा. क्या ही होगा. कर लेंगे. So I think it's just that.
And she probably needs to hear that, right?
Absolutely.
Particularly for realists, right? For realists, it may not be a big deal for you, your optimism. Sometimes you underestimate your own strengths and your own superpowers, but you don't realize how much it means to the other person. Like I do this.
And और भाई वो तो realist, वो एकदम other end of the spectrum of like मर जाएंगे, बर्बाद. It was like Amrish Kapoor saying तबाही. It's like that. It's no. So absolutely. So it just we kind of balance each other out like that. So which is probably what helps.
And by the way, did you drink in the past? You say I don't drink and smoke. You never drank.
No, I never drank. Got it. I think my dad is a chain smoker.
Okay.
My dad had like this drinking thing. I think that's what also affects you. That मैं कभी नहीं करूँगा.
Right.
I think the only time it's a thing, right? So every birthday, be it Sheetal's birthday or my birthday, those are very overwhelming situations for Rishan. So inevitably, our birthdays, Rishan has a meltdown. Always.
Why is that?
I think just sensory overload.
Just anxiety and all this stuff happening.
ये होगा, ये करना है, ये नहीं हुआ. जो रेस्टोरेंट जाना था वहीं गए, लेकिन वहाँ पे ये एक डिश नहीं मिली. It's just he can't process it. So it's just hard. And at times it's just hard, So it'll be like birthdays are at some level like, oh God, अब ये रोएगा. अच्छा अब ये चिल्लाएगा. So all of that. So there was one particularly hard one, etc. Where even Sheetal's a teetotaler. So there was this one birthday where one of this like really hard meltdown sessions happened. At the first time, Sheetal and I just went out and said, "Fuck, we need a drink," and we had no idea, how that works. Like, क्या पीते हैं? What do you try? इसको क्या बोलते? इसके साथ क्या मिक्स करते हैं? बोले यार कुछ भी ले आ तू. सब ले आ. Like fuck, we got smacked. I was driving. I was like, fuck, no, I can't drive. I can't find my wallet. Where the fuck is that? So then someone call me an Uber. I don't know.
सब लेके आ जाए इधर.
So crazy. So yeah.
Got it. Yeah, I can imagine. Like these birthdays, these milestones must be so overwhelming for.
It's hardcore, man. So yeah, absolutely. So.
And what your dad drank? You said.
He's a chain smoker.
Okay.
So he drank socially, but he's a hectic chain smoker.
But you decided very early on.
I think that's what tuned me out completely.
Anyway,
I lost mom to cancer about 16, 17 years back, and I think that's also something that's always played in my head. Not that I blame my dad for it. Like, अबे यार, मुझे नहीं करना.
Right.
So I think it's just that. So
yeah, and the spirit of this conversation, I know it. I'm pretty sure you find yourself in this situation a lot. Like everybody by default goes into autism, but my goal is not to just.
I understand.
So it's for all dads, all moms. Everything that you're sharing is everyone's life, right?
Absolutely, man. Yeah. So no, bilkul.
So in that spirit, what's you talked about work in progress and dads have to do, but if you have to just summarize, like for dads, what are the 3 or 4 things that really shape your fatherhood philosophy at this stage of life?
I think that one shift, like I said, Subhashish, ki wo सिर्फ पहले वो लगता था कि यार आपका रोल बेसिकली पैसे कमाओ और डांट दो, वो काफी
Yeah.
है.
Yeah.
I think just understanding that that's not enough.
Yeah.
I think that's, and then this is true not just for neurodivergent dads. I would say
Exactly. Yeah.
just
Yeah.
fundamentally, I think
I think you've written
I
somewhere,
would
na?
say
LinkedIn, पैसा, प्यार, play.
yes.
कहीं पे लिखा था ना?
I would. I think that would be yeah. Fuck. Now that you mention it,
Yeah. Now I
think
remember
got
also as
crafted
I
it
asked
as
this question. Yeah, because I
the
read
5
somewhere.
P's.
Correct.
The 5 P's of papahood.
Right.
So I think just fundamentally first presence. I think you don't need to
Presence.
be a
Correct.
perfect dad. You just need to be a present dad.
Yeah.
And present not just for those big milestones of
And describe
parent-teacher
presence
meeting.
because it's a very nebulous word. What do
Yeah,
you mean
so
by
I think
presence?
people think presence is annual day पे पहुंच गया.
Correct.
Prize distribution ceremony पे आ गए, birthday
Right.
पे हूँ. No, presence is when nothing hectic is happening on Sunday afternoon where you're there to just cuddle.
Yeah.
And not just when your kid is learning cycling, but just or he or she scraped her knee. Just nothing. You're just there. At times they just need you to be present. Kids don't need things. They need your time.
Yeah.
I think so. Just that presence is one fundamental. The first P, I would say, the most important one.
Yeah.
I think probably. Two, I think protection is what I think I spoke about.
Yeah,
protection,
protection,
not
correct.
just. मतलब I think ये भी जानना जरूरी है कि वो as parents
We
we
have to
try
feel
to
safe.
protect our kids from dangerous places.
Yeah.
I think ये जानना कि सबसे dangerous जगह ना आपके अंदर है.
Hmm.
So I think just recognizing that
Explain that.
So keeping you safe from your own limiting thoughts, keeping you safe from your self-limiting beliefs,
Yeah.
keeping you safe from the log kya kahenge, all of that. I think that protection, okay, it's all right, man. It's cool.
Yeah.
So I think that protection, I think that's really important. I
That's
think not just
beautiful.
about being around to protect someone from a bully or whatever the hell else or paisa
Yeah.
and shit like that. But I think presence, protection in that sense, I would say. 3, I think play,
Yeah.
is what I've spoken about. Play, not just like I'm terrible at sports, but it's not just about sports or indoor
not-
games or whatever,
right.
but just being a play partner ताकि आप खेलना सीखे मजे के लिए,
Yeah.
ना सिर्फ जीतने के लिए and all of that. I think play, I think आप खेलोगे, अगर आप नहीं आप खेलोगे तो 2 आउटकम होंगे, जीतेंगे या हारेंगे.
Yeah.
आप खेलोगे ही नहीं तो एक ही आउटकम है,
Yeah.
हारोगे,
Yeah.
नहीं होगा कुछ.
Yeah.
So just get like swimming सीखना है, you can't learn it virtually. पानी में उतरना पड़ेगा,
Correct.
खेलना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
You'll have to get in it. So I think just playing, being there, being the safe play partner to play, and as a part of that, I think teaching kids how to learn with, deal with failure.
Failure. Yeah. And resilience.
And more importantly,
Yeah.
Subhashish, learning how to deal with success.
Yeah.
वो लोग नहीं सिखाते. And I'm telling you, see, I come from the world of movies where I've seen the brightest, nicest of people get fucked up with success because it comes too fast.
Yeah.
It comes overnight, and it comes like suddenly you think you're fucking invincible. There are
And
people,
they're done, right?
They're screwed. I mean, just what that
Yeah.
fame, money, overnight. Suddenly you're like this girl from Ambala, and you suddenly got like,
Yeah.
you're driving a freaking
Merc.
SUV Mercedes.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
That shit, it goes to your head, can fuck you up.
Yeah.
So I think just dealing with success is as important as dealing with failure. I think learning how to do that. I'm just learning to play for the joy of it.
Yeah.
So I think, play and teaching and being there to play. And like I said, so I'm Rishan's safe space. We खेल because मजा आएगा.
Don't worry. Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
So I think that's the third P, I would say. 4, of course, I think I spoke about
Pyar.
प्यार. I think और प्यार में Subhashish is ये like men don't express it.
Yeah.
We have our own ways of expressing that. कि यार I bought you a gift, no? Or I was there, no? समझ जाना, तुझे तो पता ही है. No, you'll have to say it.
You have to verbalize it, right?
You
You
have
have to
to.
express your feelings.
It I can't tell you
Yeah.
how powerful that is.
Yeah.
It's one strange thing, Subhashish. I write a note every night to my wife.
No
Every
kidding.
night. It's a handwritten note. Every
Beautiful.
night. It's like journaling for me more than anything else.
When did you start this, Ashish?
About 8 years back. I'm not missed a single day.
Wow.
I used to do this, so it used to be a diary that I would write, but it would have to be addressed to her. This is from
Yeah.
92. But for a while in the middle, like I said, I ran away, all of that.
Yeah.
So I was shut off.
Yeah.
But I think about 8 years back is when I just kind of started this practice, and every night without exception. It's
Thanks for
more, it's
sharing.
like journaling for me, but
Yeah.
it's just
Something about it.
and
Yeah.
I think it's just that's I think it could be about Rishan, it could be about it could be the silliest thing of something you noticed today or whatever else. It's like it's almost like the parallel of a gratitude journal, It's
Yeah.
that kind of thing, or just saying that to Rishan,
Yeah.
that like I really love you, man.
Yeah, I love you.
really love what you did today.
Yeah.
It made me very happy. I'm very proud of you.
Yeah.
I think it is so important. So, wo pyar.
Somewhere I heard, which I'm trying to do this now. All of us say, I love you and I love you, what you do. And I heard somewhere, if you say, I love being your dad, right? It shifts something. That
Yeah.
it instills something in them that
Yeah.
they're so prized. Then I've started sharing this now. I tell them,
Lovely.
I love being your dad.
Lovely, beautiful.
It's very filling for them,
Beautiful.
right? And when I heard this, wow, I'm like, wow, there's
yeah, nice.
it's the same thing. You're saying you love
But it's
them.
just
It shifts,
us.
right?
Yeah.
It makes them feel more precious and more,
Yeah,
how precious they are.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's so specific. It's nice. So
Yeah.
I should try that as well. So
Yeah.
I think सिर्फ जताना काफी नहीं है, बताना
Yeah.
जरूरी है.
Yeah.
I think I would say that, and then of course पैसा.
Yeah, of course.
I think so मेरी लाइफ में मेरी जरूरतें बहुत कम है. Honestly, but if I don't buy a pair of clothes for the rest of my life, I'm fine. Couldn't care less.
Correct.
I could retire.
We've
today.
come to that now.
Frankly.
Yeah.
It's cool, right?
Yeah.
I think, and the pandemic taught us that. And
100%.
Rishan, again, that's what's beautiful about Rish.
Yeah.
That
That you don't need
I mean,
much to feel.
he's content. अच्छा गाना, अच्छा खाना,
Yeah.
काफी उसके लिए लाइफ में. उसका enough, superb है. There's so much to learn.
I love
on
that. Yeah.
But it's beautiful,
Yeah.
but I think वो एक autism parent की tension थोड़ी अलग होती है. That obviously a parent will always be concerned about their
Worried.
child that ये
Yeah.
set हो जाए,
Correct.
etc. खुश रहे.
Yeah.
But there's that कि इसको अपने पाल पोस के बड़ा करके अपने पैरों पे खड़ा कर दूंगा, she'll be fine or he'll be fine. With us, the fear is that, man, this kid may not be able to earn a rupee in his life. Or what if I die tomorrow? Like the pandemic did that for
The
us. It
fear
scared
of
the
death.
fuck out of us.
Yeah.
That what will happen. And the fear that, he may get cheated, not just financially, emotionally.
Yeah.
So we are also at that stage where we are now building out that corpus to give him at least a comfortable, if not a
Yeah.
luxurious
A cushion.
life.
Yeah.
Or an assisted living setup for life after us.
Yeah.
So all of those things. So which is where giving him the appreciation, because otherwise उसको भी वो understanding पैसों की है नहीं.
Henny, yeah.
कि बाप तो ATM है ना, बटन दबाओ आ जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं. Order 10-minute delivery, no problem. It's there. But I think just appreciating, recognizing the importance and the value of money, that it's just one of the 5 P's, it's not
Yeah.
all 5, but
Yeah.
it's
But important
respect
nevertheless.
it,
Yeah.
respect it, don't worship it.
Yeah.
But like you can't, it'll give you independence. It'll
Yeah.
give you, and women also need to know that, right? I think
100%.
the power of that financial independence is so important. It is
Yeah.
so necessary. I think ये 5 चीजें, I would say probably was the 5 pieces. Yeah, I'm glad you remembered that.
No, I remember after I asked you this question, so I thought might as well go through those 5 P's. That's actually
Yeah.
really nice. Now, we'll wind up, Ashish, but a couple of important things. You were in the media business, right?
Yeah.
I'm very passionate about this as well. I worked at, of course, Disney and Amazon, and we
Sure.
did a lot of work in bringing diverse voices and all that. And we talked about that. 2 things. One is, what do you think content creators, media business should think about children consuming content these days, right? It's front and center of all parents. And so just your 2 cents on this, being an insider. And then second is from a kid's perspective, like how do you think about what's been your approach in Rishan, watching content and so forth. So both from a like content, creator
Sure.
standpoint, and the other one is
Sure.
consumption.
Sure. No, I
Just
think,
because
it's interesting.
you are in this space
Yeah.
and you are an insider.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. No, I think Gen Alpha, as they call it now, the one after Gen Z,
Yeah.
etc. These are kids who are, they're not born or living around content, They're born in content.
In the content, inside the content, yeah.
It's all around them.
Really?
Right? So it's all around. You're submerged, immersed in that material. Today, I remember years back, there used to be like a parent could decide what the kid watches or doesn't.
Yeah.
That doesn't happen anymore.
Hmm.
You know, the algorithm decides
Yeah.
what he or she is watching. वो automatically हो रहा है.
Yeah.
You know, I know such young kids. I was just doing something with ASCII. They're doing a lovely report on how advertising is being consumed by Indian kids today. So it's very similar, etc. In this phase, it's the Gen Alpha report. And we were shooting with a kid a while back, and it's a kid. He's 8. He's watched Dhurandhar 5 times.
What?
Yeah, 5 times.
No kidding.
I said,
oh my God.
No kidding. Yeah, man. He and his parents have watched Squid Game together.
Jesus
Now,
Christ.
that's
I
very
couldn't
hardcore.
handle Dhurandhar for some time.
You know, so I mean, I love the film, but
Yeah,
for an
it's a big-
8-year-old, that's
I
very
know, it can-
hardcore shit, right?
yeah.
So I was like, bro, like, wow, like you are allowed. So this is he was like, yeah. Do you think anyone can stop me from doing what I want to do? I was like, I don't know, I'm not your dad, bro, but you know, great. But you realize that, you know, I think जो हमें लगता है कि बच्चों की digital fluency है,
Huh.
वो है, like they can open apps and do things eyes closed.
Correct.
But fluency does not mean literacy.
Yeah.
उनको उसकी समझ नहीं है.
Correct.
You know, that differentiation of content versus advertising
Yeah.
versus right, wrong, etc.
Peddling.
That's not,
Yeah. Yeah.
it's not there.
Yeah.
I think so. I don't think you can control. I don't think you can put guardrails over there. I don't think you can, you know, put those child locks and
Yeah.
ये नहीं देख सकते.
The age
But
bar
you
and all
will
that.
have to-
Yeah.
You will have to equip them to be able to know what's right, wrong. Like if you tell your kid don't smoke, don't drink, I'm not sure how that's going to work.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, but if you're able to equip them to take those right decisions, also on content,
Yeah.
on processing what's right, wrong, etc. Because there's some crazy ass shit going on in the world of Roblox and
Yeah.
the metaverse
crazy.
and gaming. And I mean,
Yeah.
look at the kind of games that work, right? It's
Yeah.
first-person shooter games
Yeah.
or speed games.
Yeah.
Speed games and kill games, and the kids are getting into that fairly early.
And that's
Those
how their
dress-up
brain's
games for
getting
girls.
wired.
So it's kind of nuts, and just that dopamine hit of. So I think just equipping them to know the difference. 1, 2. I think just also. I think this is an interesting report which just dropped also about how Gen Zs probably got lower IQ as a group versus the other groups, essentially the earlier generations, and that's happened as a function of just quantum of exposure on media.
Yeah.
I think just equipping them to be able to कि भाई तू किताब पढ़,
Yeah.
get out there,
Yeah.
the conscious deliberate digital detoxing, that kind of thing, versus mandating that, enabling that.
Yeah.
I think those are pieces on the inside that you can do. On the outside, I think I would it's a tough ask, but I think just getting media and folks in charge
Yeah.
to also be deliberate and conscious about this, of knowing and being deliberately inclusive. And I'll give you a film parallel for this, Subhashis. Like look at the movie business. All right, so we're the largest movie producer country in the world.
Yeah.
We do about 1,500. We produce 1,500 films every year.
As a country,
It's
huh?
huge. As a country, every year.
Holy shit! I didn't realize that.
1,500 across all languages: Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Oriya,
Yeah.
all of that put together. Right. And we've been making films since
I'm from Orissa, by the way, so thanks for naming Oriya.
Yeah. I mean, it's a rich film industry over there. It may not have big budgets, but they do some
Yeah.
interesting stuff.
Stories,
right? So there are
yeah.
a ton of things
Yeah.
happening over there, etc. So 1,500 films every year. All right.
Yeah.
We've been making films since about 110, 115 years.
Yep.
1910, whatever. Dada Saib Phalke, first
Correct.
film. So over the last 100 plus years, we would have made upwards of 50,000 films. 50,000. All right. Now take a guess. Out of those 50,000 films, how many films had disability representation? And I don't even mean like Sitare Zameen Par, Tare Zameen Par. I mean somewhere in the background, someone on a wheelchair.
Yeah.
Farida Jalal in Majboor with
Yeah.
Amitabh. Take a wild guess. Out of 50,000, 55,000 films, how many films had disability representation somewhere? Less than
Maybe.
500.
What?
less than 500. Okay, I mean like a side character.
Wow.
Take a guess. In those 500, how many had primary narratives or themes?
On
Like My Name is
this
Khan, Tare
characters,
Zameen Par,
right?
uh,
The
as
protagonist
leads.
or whatever. Yeah.
Less than 150.
Wow.
Okay, now in those 150, take a guess how many were actually played by disabled people. It's not Shah Rukh Khan playing autistic or Rajkumar Rao playing Doi. Take a guess. Less
50?
than 50.
Yeah.
Less than 50. And that 50 number is gone up because Tare Zameen Par had 20.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it was less than
Acha.
30. It's nuts,
It's
right?
mind-boggling.
It's mind-boggling.
This
And
is
that's just on
This
screen.
is a fascinating stat, Ashish. Thanks for sharing.
It's and that's on screen. Huh? Now imagine behind the scenes.
Behind the screen, yeah.
It's that exact same parallel that you
Yeah.
spoke about the panel discussion on gender equality.
Yeah.
It's 5 men
It's
talking
probably-
about gender equality. It's just stupid.
Yeah.
Now imagine and here's a crazy number.
And
right?
disability means a lot of physical, right? The neurodivergence to or be maybe do
Yeah,
thing
and
over.
also it's there's so much stigma.
Yeah.
It's not even captured on the census.
In a country of
Right,
1.4 billion people.
The average, the mota official statistic globally is 25%. If you bring in the hidden number,
Yeah.
that number
Undiagnosed.
is
Yeah.
33%.
Correct.
That's every third person. It is extremely likely, Subhashish, that you know someone with autism and you don't even know it.
Right.
It is extremely likely.
Right. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Now,
yeah.
and-
I
and-
believe
and-
that.
and
I believe
forget-
that.
And forget the thematics and the right thing to do as a business opportunity.
Yeah.
The entire ecosystem of that family, of the support
The
process.
caregivers. Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
it's like launching a car, like what, and I'm saying car or Alcobev, which only used to target men. You're ignoring 50% of the population.
Correct.
It's just stupid.
Yeah.
It's like launching a phone only for men. It's
Yeah.
stupid.
Yeah.
It makes no freaking sense to me, right? So it's exactly what you're doing, right? You're ignoring 25% of the population
Yeah.
by virtue of doing that. And if you're trying to get neurotypical able folks to create this content, you have
yeah.
zero understanding or nuance of that.
That's
And
powerful.
the danger is not just the non-representation or under-representation. The danger is the misrepresentation.
Misrepresentation. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Absolutely.
misrepresentation, for example, आपको और disability is played out in 3 narratives. Okay, एक is
Sympathy.
the pity party.
Yeah. Sympathy.
वो अंधी माँ, विधवा बहन,
Just
reality shows, violin
tears.
बज रहा है,
Yeah.
अरिजीत सिंह का गाना, wave lashing against the rocks, and I'm like, fuck, who died? This that shit, like, fuck no. The other side is the the inspiration porn.
Yeah.
Most Bollywood bio
Just conquering all the odds.
against
Yeah.
all odds.
Yeah.
लंगड़ा था लेकिन
Yeah.
रेस
फिर
जीत
भी
गया,
जीत गया, हाँ.
अंधा था एवरेस्ट चढ़ गया.
Yeah.
Bro, fuck,
Yeah.
that's stupid, right?
Right.
And there's the third, which is the worst, which is humor,
Right.
mocking.
Yeah.
I mean, Rohit, for example, Shetty is a friend, but
Yeah.
like what he does with Golmaal and
Yeah.
Tushar Kapoor.
Oh yeah. That's the
or
worst.
अरे मैं ऊंची सुनता हूँ, मैं हकलाता हूँ, Kader Khan, Shakti Kapoor,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
All that narrative which has played out,
Yeah.
or how we used the trans community as
Yeah.
gangs,
Yeah.
or
Or gay
homosexuality as gangs.
community.
It's,
Yeah. Yeah.
it's just stupid,
Yeah.
So it's just, I mean, and that will not come. Like no matter what, no matter how empathetic I am, I cannot understand how women think or work.
Right.
I will need to have that voice at the table,
Absolutely.
behind the scenes, behind the camera, on the
Yeah.
edit,
Writers.
on the script.
Everyone. Yeah.
I think that representation is what, again, like I said, I was deliberate about inclusion. You have to be intentional.
Are
about
you
it.
still working on that? Do you still do that, Ashish?
Absolutely. So I run this content hot shop called Is Special.
Yeah.
So everything we do, Subhashi, is without exception. At the back end, always has a tie-in with neurodiversity because that's a thing
Love that.
close to my heart. It could be as simple as if I'm shooting, the catering on set will be from a cloud kitchen run by neurodiversity folks. It's the
beautiful.
merch that I'm giving away will be made by someone from Jai Vakil. It will be an AD that I've hired, and it fundamentally changes you.
Yeah.
I think exposure, is
Yeah.
what gives you immunity.
Yeah.
Is gives you understanding.
Permission,
and I think that's
yeah.
when you realize कि
Yeah.
हाँ यार ये I think वो हम लोग क्यों where does fear or where does discrimination come from? It comes from
It's
lack
lack
of
of
awareness.
awareness. Yeah. Absolutely.
It's just that, right? So
Yeah,
minute you
that's
get
it.
exposed कि हाँ ये तो मेरे जैसा ही है.
Yeah.
हाँ तो ये तो वही है.
Yeah.
ये तो ये तो same है.
Yeah.
So I think just that, I think so that way very deliberate, and some of these things, some of these narratives, and you realize कि किसी को भाषण नहीं सुनना है. Subhash.
Yeah.
So you give someone a sermon or a speech, no one gives a fuck. I
Yeah.
think that's also the reason I did that book. Was
Yeah.
exactly that, right?
Right.
The kind of books which existed in the
Just stop with the
neurodiversity
bloody
community.
preaching and the And the
there
summarizing.
was academic,
Yeah.
theoretical bullshit no one will read, and two, there was just this, rona dhona of like, "Arey, mar gaya, life ki lag gayi." It's a very colorful, it's a fun world. So I think just so people don't want to hear a speech, but people will, the firewalls will drop when you tell a story, when you sing a
People
song.
love stories. Yeah. Yeah.
So I think just doing that is what, and those stories are unique, they're fun, they're interesting. I think, and it's all around you.
Yeah.
That represent it. I mean, it's all, like I said, you probably know some of the autism and you don't even know.
You don't
it.
know
So I
that,
think
yeah,
just
yeah.
getting it out there, etc. So I mean, I can spot it like a mile away.
Right.
And straight up, right?
Yeah.
And there are parents who've not spotted it for 10 years. So, bro, your kid,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
Look at this kid.
You
Yeah.
know, it's just that, right? And also, and
So
I
I was
think it's
talking
what
to
those-
talking about you about Matthew, right? My boss in Amazon. So
Yeah.
they're in the UK. They're growing their children. Guess where they found out? They were down in Australia, okay, visiting a friend. Kids are playing in the backyard. Parents are just hanging out. The friend spotted saying, "Hey, I see something different. Have you guys? I see
Check it out.
something different here." Halfway around the world, someone else spotted it, like you said, from a mile.
Yeah. And at times you also have to be very sensitive about how
Yeah.
you bring it up, right?
Yeah,
Or
yeah,
there are people who don't take it kindly, especially in India.
Correct.
Like,
Yeah.
"Arey,
Kya baat
kya
kar
bol
raha
raha
hai?"
hai?"
Yeah.
There's all of
Pagal ho
that,
gaya
right?
kya?
So
Yeah.
all of that shit.
Yeah.
Right? So I think it's just, I think that's what that book, that band that I did. I think just it gave vocabulary to a lot of people.
Yeah.
People started spotting and saying, "Oh, dude, there's the guy in my office who's just like this,
Yeah.
who sits by himself for lunch." Or there's this my chacha's like this.
Yeah.
All of that, I think Amir spotted
Way back.
his son's dyslexia as a function of Tare Zameen Par.
Oh, really?
So,
It's the
yeah,
movie.
yeah,
The movie
yeah.
informed him.
Yeah. So
Fascinating. I didn't know
I
that.
think it's all of that, right?
Got it.
So I think it's I think so. So one, you equip your kid versus prescribing. You equip. I think that's what you need to do as
Yeah.
far as content and media is concerned. And do on the other side, which requires a lot of work. I think.
Yeah.
I think just having the folks in charge
Yeah.
be deliberate about. But I think it'll happen. I've seen that
It's
happen
happening, yeah.
over a period of time on the gender side.
Yeah.
I've seen that happen.
On the sexual
Not just
orientation
on the-
side.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think at least conversations are happening now.
Yeah.
It's a slow burn, but you're leaving too much money on the table.
That's
even
what's,
if it's for business reasons.
I know.
Even for business reasons, if it happens, it's good.
But it's very
that's where
encouraging
it
in a
is
country like
sustainable.
India that is happening, right? Like sometimes you get cynical about it, but I'm so glad.
Absolutely.
That's where your
No,
optimism.
bilkul. But again,
Yeah.
again, two Indias, right? So there is this India 1, India 2.
True,
So वो
true.
एक- मतलब कहीं access ही नहीं है यार.
Correct.
You go
Kishore
talk to someone,
Bianika,
people-
India 1, India 2, India 3. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
वो है.
Wow. There's a lot that we have covered, and
Yeah, man.
we can go on forever.
Of course.
I have one last question, Ashish.
Sure.
And hopefully we'll, if you're okay, we'll have one more round sometime
Sure.
later.
Please. I'm happy to chat. I mean, whatever.
Yeah, I have-
Even if you want to cut it up in 2 parts or whatever, up to you. I'll leave it to you.
Yeah, no, we'll wind up now, but I would love to dig into this another time as well. My last question is a bit of a question coming back to Rishan. Years from now, you talked about how you were setting things up for him and how you were basically pursued your own life, designing his future for him. Years
Sure.
from now,
Sure.
when he's looking back at his dad, what do you want him to think and remember about his father? I know it's a loaded question.
Yeah. I'm not sure if he has the language for that, Shubhashish, but as a feeling, at least I'm hoping.
Yeah.
Because, expression is hard for
Yeah.
men,
Yeah.
for fathers,
Yeah.
for autistic men,
Yeah.
virtually impossible. But at least, whether he can say it or not, I hope he feels at least that A, dad was around. He was around. B, he was funny.
Yeah.
C, he let me be me. And D, most importantly, he made me feel good about that.
Yeah.
I think ये 3-4 चीजें अगर हो,
Yeah.
I think
That's it.
वसूल है.
Yeah.
I think I did an okay job. वो काफी है. I would say.
Well, thank you. Thank you. That you got me emotional.
Ah,
Thank you. There's nothing else after this. You ended in an incredibly powerful note. I hope every father thinks like that, Ashish, and that's what we're all working for as dads. Thank you
we're
so
all
much.
learning, yeah.
Yeah.
Like I said, user manual handling, we're all learning on the job. So
Yeah.
she's-
We'll
when
keep
you,
learning.
We do the best we can.
Yeah.
And every, inherent apna hai ke I'm fucking up. And you probably are. And that's okay. But it's you're learning on the job. And that's cool. You know better, you do better. And that's wo kafi hai.
That's the mindset, yeah.
That's enough.
Yeah. Thanks so much, Ashish. Thank you.
No,
I'm so
man,
grateful.
thanks. It was really fun.
It was a blast. I learned so much. I'm going to have to chat a lot more. But hopefully we'll be back. You enjoy the rest of the weekend, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much.
Forward. Cheers, man.
See you.
Thanks so much.
Bye.
Bye.